Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from June 28th. 5.2 has shipped, and David says he has seen some misunderstandings about the stylize value. He says, be careful, stylize is super strong. If you were using it before at say stylize 1000, you might want to divide that by 5. He said he is happy with zoom and likes seeing what people are creating, and maybe a pan feature will be next, where you can add only to the right or add to the left. He said he's not sure when it will release, although he did say maybe in the next week, so I'm not sure how far along that feature actually is. They are trying to get in-painting working, but it requires a new Discord feature. He said again maybe within a week or two, so that's kind of exciting. David did say that there probably will be a 5.3 that will fix some coherent issues. Then he talked about version 6 and how it's training again, and they are trying pretty hard to encourage more weird styles rather than just good styles. They hope they're able to discover new good things, and they might include some sort of -- weird parameter. While right now chaos is basically a diversity setting, they're looking at being able to bump up the weird value, which would take the images to a whole nother level. And they are trying to make it more diverse, varied, and weird by default. He did say that they might test the weird feature in version 5 before version 6. Then he noted that in version 5.2, it's still hard to do multiple characters in a scene or weird compositional prompts, so version 6 might not be a giant leap in image quality, but it will be able to make way more types of images, things that version 5 cannot do. David said it's probably coming in July. He's not sure how many features they want to shove in for the release. They want to include the turbo mode, which will be 3 or 4 times faster and good for teachers in front of classrooms or if you're playing a game with a friend. And he said there are more experimental features planned, but he did not elaborate. Then he mentioned some web stuff. It's coming along. It might have less features at launch than everybody wants, but it will be very good. And the internal debate is, do you want to have every feature possible but an unpolished experience, or fewer features and a more polished website? He said that they want it to be ultra friendly for new users, which includes trying to make a really good search feature. And he did say this, but take it with a grain of salt. He said it's going to be the nicest designed AI thing ever. That sounds kind of exciting. And more on their philosophy is that they want to get more people to 10,000 images made rather than getting more people to 100,000 images made, really focusing on expanding the life of casual users. And then I was thinking that there should be some sort of auto suggest for prompts, and I thought maybe they already had something like that, but maybe I'm misremembering. Just like a prompt suggestion feature for new users that could provide some styles to try or something like that. And the art used in this video was made by combining 4 artists: Geof, Darrow, Steve Ditko, David Gibbons, and Jullien. I'll leave those names in the description. There's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours. I hope you're doing well, take care, and I'll see you next time.